Get ready to immerse yourself in an exciting wood-pulling adventure. If you're fascinated by giant machines with immense horsepower cutting through the wilderness, this is a ride you can't miss. Don't blink, every moment is exciting. Valmet 911.3 is a giant in the forestry industry with a weight of tens of tons. Thanks to the diesel engine, the machine can easily cut down large trees in a short time. The modern hydraulic system helps the mechanical arms operate flexibly and meticulously, minimizing damage to surrounding forest trees. Thanks to that, Valmet 911.3 not only improves labor productivity, but also contributes to environmental protection. Impressively, he made noise and struggled to load large logs onto the ship. Despite the bad weather, the work was not only dangerous, but also required strict safety measures. This was the last ship before the storm, and the workers were determined to complete the task. Experience the difference with Western Star loggers. From deep forests to rough roads, Western Star is always with you. If you like this video, please leave comment number 1. Working in the woods with tractors and heavy equipment is a huge challenge, requiring a high level of skill. We filmed tractor drivers in the Vlaai Mountains, where the work was like a scene from an action movie. Their courage and ingenuity in overcoming the slippery roads were truly impressive, showing that the life of a forestry worker is full of surprises and challenges. Image of a worker wearing protective gear standing in front of a giant log of a fallen tree, preparing to cut. Holding a saw weighing 10 kg, he focused on adjusting each movement to cut wood effectively. His jacket and helmet protected him from debris, while the sound of sawing echoed through the silence of the forest. The roar of the engine resonates as the 948L tractor conquers the challenging 47% slope. The operator skillfully adjusts the lever, guiding the vehicle through rough terrain. With a powerful double rail system, the truck pulls heavy logs, completing the goal of transporting wood from the mining area to the gathering place. Oh man, I heard Bill was at a WN10 using a chainsaw to disassemble the jackpot like he was chopping down a giant tree. I wonder what he will do with that machine. Explore the world of small carpentry with this brief guide to the turbo sawmill. We'll explore the techniques and features that make carpentry easy. Whether you're an enthusiast or a beginner, this guide will provide helpful tips to optimize your woodworking experience and get the most out of your saw. In dusty spaces, Petzolato T EM1200 and TB900 work tirelessly. Large logs are fed into the machine smoothly, and in just 30 seconds, they're cut into perfect firewood. With high precision and stable performance, this device has become an indispensable companion in our work. In Finisri, ET80AGR VELAGAGA is implementing a large-scale pine logging project. Aided by Vultra excavators, Merlot forklifts, and Muzz Max chainsaws, a team of skilled workers deftly felled ancient pine trees. After trimming, the wood will be transported to the gathering point to serve production needs. Hi everybody! Today, we are at a logging site, ready to transport 400 m of pine logs with the Adler 2X16T double suspension HSM 904 tractor, an exciting adventure in cable timber transport. Grumier Friedrichs Scania R770 V8 next-gen handles all-terrain with confidence on winding roads. With a roaring V8 engine, the vehicle easily pulls trailers loaded with wood. An experienced driver will master the vehicle, conquering dangerous curves and steep slopes, turning wood transport into a real passion. Here's a video showing the Cord King 120-ton log splitter in action. It can split logs 16 feet long, up to 72 inches in diameter, and split them into 4 parts with just a remote control. Mack trucks are very durable. Look at this 1,972 Mack driving the front wheel, while pulling a load of lumber. It looks like it wants to compete in a circus show. Image of a worker skillfully using a saw to cut large logs to build a safe landing pad for helicopters. Each precise cut creates a solid foundation, ensuring the safety of pilots and passengers. The sound of the saw resonates with nature, creating a working atmosphere full of enthusiasm and meaning. Oh my God, look! The worm is showing off its strength in front of that giant log. It must think it's the strongest. The wooden cart roared along the muddy road. Each blow of the wheel's hammer tore through the red dirt, leaving behind deep tire tracks. Black smoke rose from the chimney, mixing with the morning fog. Greenworks GD60C CS40 is a great choice for those looking for a powerful, durable, and environmentally friendly chainsaw. With outstanding advantages, this product will be a great assistant for all your pruning jobs. The LogMax 5000D head, with the latest updates from LogMax, offers outstanding versatility. Lightweight allows installation on small facility machines, while impressive durability ensures efficiency in advanced roughing with medium-sized machines. At last year's Buckley Wood Show, the chainsaw stock and stock modified events were a blast. Woodcutters demonstrated their skills using high-speed chainsaws, sending logs flying. The excitement was palpable, with everyone laughing and cheering. Operating in the vast forests of British Columbia, the TigerCat 875 log loader is at work. With a lifting capacity of up to 12 tons, it easily lifts large, heavy logs. The flexible mechanical arm moves precisely, placing each log in the correct position on the truck bed, creating a symphony of engine and tree sounds. We just purchased the FECON-RK 6015 forestry crusher, and we're eager to tune and test it. FECON-RK 6015 forestry mulcher crushes tree stumps into small pieces. The sound of cracking wood and the sound of engines create an exciting atmosphere as the machine clears the area in preparation for the new planting plan. The Tempest Invertas Split Wood Splitter is the ideal tool for firewood preparation, operating all year round. Instead of time-consuming manual splitting, the machine helps quickly create uniform pieces of wood. With its smart design, it saves effort and improves efficiency, becoming a great assistant for all wood-splitting jobs. SPLITMAS TER 2630 TPOS CH Superwood Splitting Machine with a capacity of 30 tons, providing outstanding performance, accurate to every millimeter. Working in small groves of aspen trees, the powerful woodcracker CESCRA easily processes 10 small tree trunks per hour. With high precision, the machine cuts and harvests quickly, turning heavy work into a simple task. The combination of advanced technology and nature creates a wonderful experience for those working in the logging industry. Learn about PolyPress, the automatic beam pressing system that allows the production of wooden beams quickly and efficiently. With automatic loading and unloading capabilities and CNC controls, the system improves productivity and product quality, opening up opportunities for complex wood structures.